how to make money in 2024 right here on TikTok. I'm going to give you 5 ways to do it right here in this video, and I'm going to link a bunch more below. So stick around and make sure you save from the bottom up. Just saying. Ready? Let's go. Number 1, solve somebody's problem. Take something out of your brain that you know a lot about that people come to you for advice for. Build a product in Canva. Use a website or a link in bio service like Stay on Linktree Beacon. Price at $99 or less because that's considered low ticket, obviously for the value you put into it. Way number 2, create a course. Underwater basket weaving, let's go flying with Jan, whatever that may be, right? Create a course on something you know a lot about. Price it appropriately. Again, Linktree Beacon stands, or my favorite, a website. Ta-da! That's way number 2. 3, TikTok Shop affiliate. Grow your account. Become an affiliate. 4, TikTok Shop seller. If you have physical items or products that you can sell, there's another way to do it. 5, create physical products and do a print-on-demand store where you don't actually have to have the product. So you go into Printify, you create something really cutesy, right? And then you put it in your TikTok shop and or you link to a website or a link in bio service. And there you go. There's way number 5. If you want to learn where I learned all this, I have several courses. I think there's 2 in there currently. Roadmap Exclusive and or Academy 6. Academy 6 is a low ticket offer. It's $97, or Roadmap Exclusive is $597, and it's a business development course and automation. Okay, so there's plenty of ways for you guys to learn to do this. I hope this helps. There's plenty more options linked below for you without having to purchase a course. You can also get some coaching from me, and I'd be more than happy to help you get started with a strategy. I hope this helps. It was my pleasure to do it. Have a great day.